Sumanna, what do you do when you want to buy a new car?
Well, I go to a showroom, I select the model and the color I want, and then I wait for it to be delivered.
Well, that's because every car comes with a standard engine, standard interiors, and in a standard size. But not Finesta windows. Every window is custom made right to the size of the frame, to the shape it takes, and the features it has.
Well, let's go through the selection process step by step now.
It starts with an evaluation of your needs based on a study of your home. The central question always is, what must the windows do to improve the environment indoors? What should they insulate your home against? Neighborhood noise? Dust? Rain? Wind? All of the above? If a room gets no sunlight or ventilation, how can Finesta help? In other words, the first step is to define the problem the windows must solve.
Once we know what role each window must play, the Finesta team leads you to the next stage, the selection of the exact window design for each aperture in each room. Now's the time for a family debate. Should your living room have a slider overlooking the garden or a combination window? Will your dining room be better served with a large casement? And your bedroom with a bay window? What are your design preferences? Do they match the architecture and decor of each room? Do they align to the function they must perform? At this stage, your role is over as Finesta takes over. Experts now measure each aperture to the last millimeter. A snug fit is crucial for optimum insulation against noise, dust, pollution, rain, and wind. Not to forget hot air that can dilute the effects of air conditioning.
The design of each window is then computer generated and sent to the production team for fabrication. There are no shortcuts in the Finesta process of manufacture. Every inch of the window is factory made and precision engineered using current global practices and machines. Not all window manufacturers follow these precise standards. Very often, safety standards are compromised with unsafe handling of glass and lack of safety equipment while working on sites. The culture at Finesta ensures the highest safety standards all across, without any shortcuts.
The moment your project enters the Finesta production pipeline, the proprietary project management system swings into action, presenting day-to-day updates on the work in progress. You're free to call a number and find out the status of your window order. The windows are now tested and packed in damage-proof packs, ready for delivery at the promised date and time.
Then comes the crucial installation process done at your convenience, without disturbing your family life. Installation involves pinpoint accuracy, the proper use of silicone sealants, and site hygiene. This meticulous exercise, carried out by trained installation experts under the supervision of a manager, ends with another round of window testing at the site. No other window company in India has this vital expertise. Once the windows are installed, your feedback is sought on both the quality of the windows and the standards of service. Should you require further assistance at a later date, call a single number for the attention of customer care executives who are only too happy to help.
No other window company in India has the infrastructure to control the entire window delivery process, from the blending of raw materials to the last stage of installation. The state-of-the-art facility in Kota oversees blending and extrusion of UPVC to international standards. The extruded lengths are sent to the 5 Finesta factories equipped with Europe's most advanced fabrication machines.
Through its factories and its nationwide network of offices and showrooms, Finesta has installed more than 700,000 windows in over 100,000 homes across the country.
In other words, Finesta provides a complete window solution, right from the moment you make the decision to get a Finesta window to the time it is installed at your address.
And remember, this hassle-free window solution is unique to Finesta and Finesta alone. But don't go away. We'll be back to tell you what makes Finesta one of a kind.